Hello. Hello.
Yes, can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, hi, good evening. What's your name?
Aishi.
Ayushi. Okay. Yeah, so you are in
Aishi.
standard 8th, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Right. Okay, so I have shared my screen. I hope you can see that.
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah, just 1 second. Give me a second.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so first of all, tell me like any prior idea about German. Okay, let me know. Have you anything? Okay, I sent you some videos and all on WhatsApp. Did you try to go through them?
No, sir. I wasn't able to go through.
You didn't go through. Okay, no problem. We'll start now. Yeah, and any prior idea of German, like anything you've learned in your school or anywhere earlier? No.
No,
So
sir.
completely
No,
new.
sir.
Okay, good. That's more easy to teach actually. Yeah. So let's just start now. So see, first of all, I have shared one my screen. Okay, we'll be playing one
Yes.
video. So this is the your
Okay.
German ABCD, the German letters. So just like that,
Okay.
just like you have the ABCD in English now, the English letters ABCD, EFGH. So just like
Yes, sir.
that, we have the same ABCD in German also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but the only thing
Yes,
is
sir.
that the names of the letters are like the sounds are different. Okay, so it is
Okay,
not
sir.
necessary that whatever sound ABCD will have in English, the same sound will be there in German. It's not like that. It's totally different. The letters are
Okay.
same, but the sound is different. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so just like when you
Yes, sir.
started learning English in your school, you had that video, right? That ABCD song was there, ABCD, EFGH. Just like that,
Yes.
we have this
Yes.
ABCD song in the German language also, right?
Okay, sir.
So I am playing one
Yes.
video. Try to listen to it, and no need to write down anything. All this material, this video, PDF, everything I'll send you today. Okay. So later
Okay,
after the
sir.
class,
Yes.
you can go through them. In case you want to make your notes and all, you can make your notes also later. Okay. Yeah. Right. So I'm playing this video. Try to listen to it.
Okay, sir.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah. Listen to it once again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Right. So that was the
Yes.
German ABCD. Okay. A, B, C, D,
Okay.
E, F, G, like that.
Okay.
So now we'll compare it with English. You have to repeat after me. So see, in English we have A B C D E F G. In German we have A B C D E F G. Okay, speak.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yes, A B C D E F G. Then H I J K. Speak.
H, I, J, K.
H I J K. L M N O P. L
L, M, N,
M
O,
N O
P.
P. Yes, H I J K. L M N O P. Okay.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Correct. QRST.
Yes, sir.
QRST.
Q, L, S, T.
UVW. Speak.
Yes, sir. I can't hear you.
UVW. UVW.
U, V, W.
Yes. U is called U, V is called V, and W is called W. So QRST UVW. Speak.
U, R, S, T, U, V, W.
Not R, it's air, air. Listen to me carefully, okay? Don't be in a
Yes, sir.
hurry. QRST UVW.
U, R, S, T, U, V, W.
Next is X, Y und Z. Speak.
X, Y und Z.
Yes. X, Y und Z. Okay. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
X, epsilon und Z. This is how we have to do this. X, epsilon
Okay.
und Z.
Z.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the meaning of und? Und means and. So if I say X, Y and Z, so that I will say X, epsilon und Z.
Okay, sir.
Simple. Okay. Now I am playing this video. Try to listen to it. I am playing it again 2 times. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah. Once again, listen to it.
Okay, sir.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay. Simple.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. I am sending this video to you. Later you can download. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
listen to it 2-3 times. I have sent you on a Skype chat. You can download it later. See, now what we'll do, we'll start with the pronunciation. So far what you have done, you've just seen the letter names, that A, B, C, D. Now you have to actually see their sound. Okay. That what is the sound of A, what is the sound of B, like that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. See my screen.
Yes.
So German, as I
Yes.
told you, it uses the same Roman set of alphabets from A till Z. Okay. The same
Okay.
Roman set of alphabets A till Z, right? So there are 2 parts,
Yes.
vowels and consonants. 2 parts are there,
Okay.
vowels and consonants. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, C, D till Z. Okay. So first of all, we'll have this one table is there. Try to understand that whenever any word, if it is ending with B, D or G, okay, if any word, if it is ending with B, D or G, then respectively the sound of that B, D and G will be per, ta and ka. Per, ta and ka sound will come.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any word, if it is ending with B, D and G, respectively per, ta and ka sound will come. Any word ending with B, D and G in German, the sound will be per, ta and ka. So see the example, GIB. It's ending in B. Okay. It's ending in B, so sound will be per. So speak the example.
Okay. So, first
Geep.
one,
Geep. Yes, speak it. Geep.
Geep.
Geep. Geep. B in the end now, so per sound will come.
Okay, sir.
Okay. B in the end, so per sound will come. Next is KIND. Speak the example.
Kind.
Kint. Kint. Okay.
Oh,
Kint.
Kint.
D in the end is t sound, so that's kint. Right? And next is TAG. G in the end is k. So speak the example.
Tak.
Tak.
Tak. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So that is Geep, Kint and Tak. Then next we have the A, letter A, right? So
Yes.
A is having 2 sounds. Okay? A is having
Okay.
2 sounds, A and A. A is
Okay,
having
sir.
2 sounds, A and A, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After A, you have to count the number of consonants coming up. Okay? You have to count the number of consonants coming after A. What are consonants? This B, C, D till Z. These are called as consonants. So
Okay, sir.
here tell me ALT. How many consonants coming after A?
2.
2. Okay, let's wait for a minute. And then FRAGEN after A. How many directly?
3.
No,
Sorry, 2.
direct consonant I am saying. Direct consonant.
1.
Direct consonant is only one. Only G is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then TRAGEN. How many after A directly?
1.
1. Okay. Simple.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
the rule is after A, if it is only one consonant, then it will be A sound, otherwise A. Okay?
Okay, sir.
A sound, otherwise it will be A sound. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So speak this example.
Alt.
Okay. Yeah. Alt. Next.
Fragen.
Fragen. Okay.
Fragen.
Fragen. Then next is Tragen.
Trag.
Tragen. Next is Tragen. Okay. Alt, Fragen,
Tragen.
and Tragen. Then next is E. So E is having the A sound. Speak the example. SN.
Esen.
Next.
Eken.
Egal. SN and egal.
Egal.
Right? After A it is
Okay.
one consonant, that will be A sound. Egal.
Egal. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
SN and egal. Then
Okay, sir.
next is I. Okay. So speak
Okay.
the sound of I is there are two sounds, long E and short E. Okay. Long E and
Okay.
short E. After I, if it is one consonant, that will have the long E sound, otherwise short E sound. Long E and
Okay.
short E. So speak this example. Ist.
Isen.
Ist. I-double-S-T. Ist.
Ist. Okay.
Ist. Next. Next
Vi-
is
Wieder.
Wieder. Okay. Next is Wieder. Then next is built.
Built. Okay, sir.
Okay. Ist, Wieder and built. A-E-I. Next is O. O is having two sounds. O and O. O and O. After O, if it is just one consonant, that's the O for Oriya sound. Otherwise, O for awesome. O for
Oh,
awesome. So speak the example.
oh dear.
Oder.
Oh dear.
Right?
Okay.
Oder.
Oh dear.
Right? And next is Zol.
Zol.
So single S is the, double S is Sa. That is Zol.
Zol.
Next is M-O-N-A-T. Speak the example. Monat. Next. Next is Corp. Okay.
God.
Next is Corp. Simple. Oder, Zol, Monat and Corp. Right?
Okay, sir.
Next is U. U is having the U sound. So speak the example.
Tun.
Next.
Mutter.
Next.
Shoe.
Okay. SCH is sh and H in the end is silent. That's shoe.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tun, mutter and shoe. Right? Tun, mutter and shoe. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I am doing is, first of all, I am sending you this PDF. See, in this SCH Shuna, SCH is a combination. SCH is having sh sound. It's a combination. Right?
Okay, sir.
It's a consonant combination that we'll see in the coming sessions. What are combinations? So SCH is one such combination. SCH sound is fixed. That is sh sound.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Yeah. So what I am doing is, first of all, I am sending you this PDF on your
Okay, sir.
chat option. I have sent here. Check it. You will get the file. So download the file first of all. You will get in
Yes,
2-3
sir.
seconds. Let it come.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you got the file now. Check there.
Yes, sir. I received it.
Okay, so download the file. First of all, for 5-7 minutes, you go through all the vowels A, E, I, O, U properly.
Okay, sir.
Go through the letters A, E, I, O, and U, and then in short, you will tell me what we have done so far, and then we'll start with the consonants. Right?
Okay, sir.
So after 5-7 minutes, I'll ping you. Just revise them as many times as possible. A, E, I, O, U, the rules and the examples. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Do that. Okay, let me know any doubt in any point till A, E, I, O, U.
So for vowel A,
For
So-
A, we have two sounds
Yes.
for A, A and A. Okay, there are two sounds, A and A. So how you will decide? You have to count the consonants. Okay, see my screen here. I am sharing it. So you have to count the consonants, number of consonants coming after A. After A, if it is only one consonant, then it will have the A sound, otherwise A sound.
okay, sir.
Okay. After A, if it is one consonant, what is consonant? These letters like B, C, D till Z. These are consonants. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So directly, if only one consonant is coming, example C, A, L, T. Here two are there directly. Then F, R, A, G, E, N. Here only one is there because after G it is E. So I will stop the counting. Only one is there directly. Okay.
Oh,
Then T, R, A, G, E, N. Again after A only one is there, right? So
Yes.
after A, if it is one consonant, that will have the A sound, otherwise A sound. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so now what you do, you have to explain me in short what we have done. Just explain me the rule in a short way, okay? And then speak the examples directly. You can start now from the table, from the top.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So starting up, the
There's a
German
table.
alphabets are same as those of we use in English,
Yeah.
but the pronunciation is different,
Yeah.
and they use the same vowels and consonants
Yes.
we use in English.
Good. Okay. So now we'll discuss their sounds. So first of all, I gave you one table. So what is this table?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is this table? BDGPTK. Tell me this.
So when a word ends with B, its pronunciation turns to P.
Yes. Good. And for D,
For
it is
D,
T sound. And for G,
And
it is
G,
K sound. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Good. So speak the example.
uh, Jeep,
Yeah.
Kent, and Tak.
Okay. Good. Then speak the rules of A.
For A, there are two sounds. If A is coming directly before a single consonant, then its pronunciation is A, and
Yeah.
if it's coming directly before double consonant,
Hmm.
its pronunciation is A.
Oh, correct. Speak the example.
Alt,
Yeah.
Fragin,
Alt, Fragen, Fragen. Okay.
Fragen, and
Yeah.
Stragin.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Alt, Fragen and Tragen. Next is E. What is the rule of E?
E is pronounced as A,
Yeah.
and the examples are Essen and Egel.
SN and Egal.
Egal. Okay.
Okay. SN and Egal. So after A, one consonant, that's the A sound. Egal.
Okay. Sir.
Right? Next is I. So
Yes.
speak the example of I. Rule of I. I rule.
The rules are there are two types of pronunciation for I.
Yeah.
It can be in longer or short, like I and E.
Yeah. Long E and short E. Long E and short E. Okay.
Short E. Okay.
Example.
Ist,
Yeah.
Wieder,
Wieder.
and Bild.
Built. Ist, wieder and built. Okay. So you see here on the top, see this GIB. After I, tell me how many consonants? After I? Only one. Right?
One.
So that becomes
Yes.
geep. That becomes geep.
E.
Right? Then KIND. After I, how many? Two.
Two.
Okay. Two are there. So that becomes the T sound. That becomes kint.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And then TAG. So after A, one consonant, that's the A sound. Tak.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
A, E, I. Next is O. So tell me the rule of O. Yeah. Rule of O.
Is also having two pronunciations, O
Yeah.
and O.
Yeah. After O, if it is one consonant, that's the O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome.
Yes.
Okay. So speak the example.
Oder,
Yeah.
Zoll,
Next.
Monarch,
Monarch. And
Karl.
Korg.
Korg.
After it's two consonant, that's the per sound, corp.
Corp.
Then next is U. So speak
Yes.
the example. U is having
Uh,
two sound. Speak the example.
Tune.
Yeah.
Muter.
Mutter. Next.
Shoe.
Shoe. SH is sir. Okay. And this
Yes.
mutter also, you know, the last R is like, it's very soft. Don't make it pure mutter. That's wrong. Okay.
Okay.
It's kind of guttural. Guttural means like inside the neck, raw, like this. Mutter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Kind of like 30% silent and 70% raw plus her. Like that. So
Okay.
don't speak like English like mutter. That's wrong. It's mutter. Mutter. Okay.
Okay.
Like very soft sound is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then next which we have is the consonant. First consonant is B. Right?
Okay, sir.
First consonant is B. So in B, if you remember one table, that when B was in the end, the sound was per, P sound.
Per.
Okay,
Yes,
so that
sir.
is one case, that when B in the end, the sound is per, and rest everywhere is B for Bombay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, rest everywhere beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example.
Berlin.
Yeah.
Oben.
Oben.
Open. And Corp.
Corp.
Geek.
Geep. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep.
Yes.
Okay. Next is C. C is having the K sound. Speak the example.
K sound.
Yeah. So C is having the K for kite sound. Speak the example. Camping.
Camping.
Okay. So it's an English word actually. They have taken from English. So you can say camping only directly.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next is
Yes.
D. So D in the end is T and beginning or middle is D for dog.
Okay, sir.
Okay. D in the end is T and beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the example.
Bader.
Doom. First of all, doom.
Okay, sir.
Doom. Okay. Speak doom.
Doom.
Then speak the fourth example first. BAD. Speak this. Bat.
Bat.
D in the end is Bat. Then hunt.
Hunt.
Okay. Yeah. Now the second and third example. So see, EI is I. This is a vowel combination. EI is I. I sound. Right?
Okay, sir.
EI is a combination. EI is I and E in the end is A. So this becomes bider. Speak.
Bat.
Bider. These combinations I'll take in the next lecture in more detail. Bider. Then
Oh.
next one IE. IE is one more combination. IE is E. Right?
Okay.
IE is E. So bider and weeder. Speak.
Bider and Beader.
Correct. Bider and weeder. EI is I is E. Right? I is
Yes.
E. Then next is F. F is like some same for sound. For football. Okay?
Oh.
So speak the second example first. This one.
Shaft.
Shaft. After a one consonant and SCH is shaft. Okay?
Shaft.
And the first example is FAUL. Okay? FAUL. So AU is one more combination. AU is ow. AU is owl. So this becomes foul. Foul. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, right now, I am not telling you any word meaning or grammar and all. You can see foul means lazy, shaft means sheep. We are not discussing the meanings right now.
Okay, sir.
Right now, the focus for coming two sessions is that you should be like becoming very strong in the pronunciation. Any word or text in front of you, you should be able to speak it properly. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So foul
Yes.
and shaft. The next is G. G in the end is K. Right? G in
Yes.
the end is K from that table BDGPTK. And beginning or middle, G for gun. Beginning or middle, G for gun. So speak the example.
Gagan.
Gagan. And next is
Tak.
Tak. Next.
Kluk.
Kluk. Gagan, Tak and Kluk. Okay. Gagan, Tak and Kluk. Tell me any doubt in here?
No, sir.
Okay. Gagan, Tak and Kluk. Next is H. H in the beginning is her. Okay. H in the
Okay.
beginning is her and middle or end it is silent. Right?
Okay.
Middle or end it is silent. So speak the example.
Halt.
Halt. Next.
Gain.
Gain. Okay. H in the middle is silent. So that's gain.
Gain.
Next.
And Zion.
Zayan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Halt, Gayan, and Zayan. Simple,
Okay.
right? Halt, Gayan, and Zayan. Tell me any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, Halt, Gayan, and Zayan.
Hmm.
Then next is J. So J is having the ya sound, ya. Okay?
Okay, sir.
J is having the ya sound. So speak the example.
Younger.
Younger. Next. Younger.
Sir.
Okay? J is ya
Yes.
sound, younger. E in the end is younger. Next, K, L, M, N, P, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Pa, same sound like English.
Okay, sir.
K, L, M, N, P is having the same sound like English. So speak these examples.
Closer.
Classer. Yeah.
Cl- Chicken.
Chicken.
Killer.
Keller. Next.
Killer. Will.
Will. Yeah.
Utman.
Atman. Atman.
Atman.
Hmm.
Atman. Swim.
Swim. Next.
Renan.
Renan. Next.
Brown.
Brown. Yeah.
Lipper.
Lipper. Okay. Swim, Renan, Brown, and Lipper. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Done till P. Yeah. Now again open the PDF. Revise the consonants from B till P first for 5 minutes. Okay. Properly
Okay.
revise them. See the rules. Let me know wherever you are facing problem, and then we'll discuss everything again. And revise the vowels also once again. Okay. And
Okay,
then
sir.
we'll move ahead of P. Right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Revise from D, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, and P. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done. Revised.
Yes, sir. Consonants are all done.
Okay. So start from B now. Explain me the rule and the example.
Yes, sir. So from B,
Yeah. From B.
at the end, B is having the per sound,
Yeah.
and in between it remains same as B.
Okay. So example.
Example: Balin,
Belen,
obeying,
Oben, yeah.
walk,
Corp,
and give.
Corp and Geep. Correct. Next is C. C is having the K sound.
Yes, sir. C is having the curl sound, and examples are for camping. We can say camping
Yeah,
as it is
yeah.
taken from the English word camping.
Correct. Next.
Next, we have D.
Okay. So
D at the end is having the t sound,
Yeah.
while at the starting or in the middle it's having the same D sound.
Yeah. So D in the end is the beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the example. Dum.
Do.
Bader.
Bader,
Dum. Bider. Yeah.
Spider, Feeder,
Next.
Bat,
Bart. Yeah.
Hunt.
Bart and Hunt. Okay. Next is F. Speak the example of F.
F,
AU is ow. Okay. Foul.
okay, sir. Fowl and Shaft.
Foul and shaft.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Next is G. Speak the rule.
At the end, G is having the k sound, while in the starting or in the middle, G is having the same G sound.
Okay. So speak the example.
Gagin,
Gagin. Yeah.
Gagin, Tak, and
Tak.
Kluk.
And Kluk. Okay. Gagin.
Yes.
Tak and Kluk. Clear? Next is H. H. Speak the rule of H.
H in the starting or in the middle is having the same H sound.
Yeah.
So the
In the
example.
starting is her. Starting is her and middle or end it is silent.
Okay, sir. Starting
Yeah.
is her and middle at the end is silent.
Yes.
Examples:
So, example. Yeah.
Halt, gain,
Hmm.
and Zion.
Halt, gain, and Zayan. Okay, Halt, gain, and Zayan. Next is J. What is the rule of J?
J is pronounced somewhat like by.
Yeah, J is ya sound. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Examples: Younger.
Younger. Next.
The rest of the examples for K, L, M, and P.
Yes. K, L, M, and P. Example.
Cluster.
Cluster. Next.
Cluster. Chicken. Killer.
Keller. Next.
Will.
Will. Okay.
Footman.
Will. And then after that, Atman. Okay.
Atman. Swim.
Next.
Swim. Renan.
Yeah.
Brown. Lipper.
Renan, Brown, and then Lipper. Okay.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Till P it is clear? Okay, good. After P, the next case which we have is Q. Okay. So Q, see,
Yes.
Q always comes with U, right? Q always
Yes.
comes with U. So QU sound is qua. Okay. QU sound
Okay,
is
sir.
qua. Just like in English, you know, quality, qualify like that. So QU sound is qua. So speak the example.
Queer.
Queer. Next.
Queer.
Next.
So
Okay. Next is R.
R.
Okay. R is guttural R sound. Guttural means something coming from inside of the neck. R. Okay. R plus H makes R. So speak the example. Riser. Okay. Riser. Next.
Broader.
Brooder. Next.
Broader.
Yeah.
Schwester.
Schwester. Riser, brooder, and Schwester. Okay. Next is S. Single S is the and double S is sir. Single S is
Okay.
the and double S is sir. So speak the example.
Zigen.
Yeah, that's Zingen.
Next.
Next.
And then Schloss. Schloss.
Next. T. T is T for tomato. Okay. T is T for tomato. Speak the example. Tanken
Tunken.
and Ratten.
Yes, sir.
Tanken and Ratten. Okay. Tanken
Tartan.
and Ratten.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. Now T, after that we have V and W. Okay. V and W. So V is having the fur sound, fur for football. Right? V is having the fur for football sound and W is having the ver sound. W is having the ver sound. So speak the example. Feel. Next. Next is for. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For. Okay,
Yes,
first
sir.
example is Volkswagen. Speak this example. Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Yeah. Next.
Feel. For.
Next.
Faucet.
Wasser. Next.
Vegan.
Vegan. I is E. Vegan. Next.
And woo.
Wo. Okay.
Woo.
Feel, for,
Yes, sir.
Wasser, vegan, and wo.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay, now I'm sending the second file to you. Right? So you
Okay,
first
sir.
of all revise them till W. And then we'll take XYZ. Okay? Revise this
Okay,
till
sir.
W and again revise the vowels again. A, E, I, O, U. Revise them again. More revision is required. Okay? So first revise till
Okay.
W and then revise the first file again from A till that P. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Revise till now, till that W. Okay, so you have revised till W.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so start from Q first. Okay, speak the rule and the example from Q.
Okay, sir. So Q is having the quer sound
Yeah. So that's
and the
square.
example
Square. Okay.
quer.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next.
R,
R is having the guttural raw sound.
R sound.
Yes. Yes. So that is
Examples,
Bruder and Schwester.
Brut, Schwester.
Okay. Next is S. Single S is the, double S is sir. Speak the example.
Singen and
Singen.
Schloss.
Zingen and Schloss.
Schloss.
Okay. Next is T. T is T for tomato. Speak the example.
Tunken and Ratten.
Pumpkin and rattle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next. V is for sound and W is ver sound. So speak the example.
Volkswagen,
Volkswagen and
Field,
field for yeah.
Wasser,
Wasser. Next.
Wasser,
Hmm.
Vegan,
Vegan. Next.
Wo.
Wo. Okay. Field for Wasser, vegan and wo. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear till here. Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now let's revise the first PDF again. Okay. You can see my screen. You have to just speak the examples, nothing else. Okay. From the table. Geep, Kintel, Tag. Only the examples.
Okay. Starting from Jeep,
Yeah. Geep. Next.
Kent, Tak,
Next. Okay. A is having two sounds. A and A. Example.
Alt,
Yeah.
Fragen,
Fragen.
and Tragen.
Okay. Correct. Next is E. E is having the sound of A. Okay.
A.
AY sound. SN.
And Egel.
SN and egal. Okay.
Egal.
SN and egal. Correct.
Egal.
Next is I. I is having two sounds. Long E and short E. Okay.
Okay.
Long E and short E. So speak the example.
Ist,
Ist.
Wider,
Wieder. Yeah.
Wider, and Build.
Built. Okay. Next is O. O is having two sounds. O and O. Okay.
Yes, sir.
O and O. So speak the example.
Oder,
Order.
Zal,
Zol.
Monat,
Monad.
Kor.
Corp. Order. Zol. Monad and Corp. Okay.
Corp.
Next is U. U is having the U sound. Example.
Tun,
Tun.
Mutter,
Mutter.
Shoe.
Shoe. Okay. SH is sure. So that's shoe. Next.
Okay, sir.
B. Speak the example.
Belen,
Belen.
Oben,
Oben.
Kor,
Corp.
Jeep.
Jeep. Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp and Jeep. Good. Next is C. Speak the example. K sound.
Camping.
Yeah. That's camping. You can speak camping only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Camping. Next is D. Okay.
D.
Hmm.
Doom,
Dome.
Bader,
Bider. EI is I. So that's Bider. Next.
Bider, Weeder,
Wieder.
Bart,
Bart.
Hunt.
Hunt. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
Dome, Bider, Wieder, Bart and Hunt. Then next is F. So speak the example of F. F is first sound only. Example.
Foul
Yeah.
and shaft.
Yeah. Next is G. So G in the end is K and beginning or middle G for gun. Example.
Gegen,
Gegen.
Gegen, Tag
Yeah.
and
Tag.
Klug.
Gegen, Tag and Klug.
Gegen,
Next is
Tag.
H. H in the beginning is her, middle or end it is silent. Example.
Halt,
Halt. Yeah.
Gehen,
Yeah.
Sehen.
Okay. Next. Halt, gain
J.
and gain. Next is J. J is your sound. Example.
Younger,
Younger,
closer,
younger, and then classer.
closer. Chicken,
Chicken. Next.
Keller,
Keller.
Will, Atman,
Atman.
Shrimp,
Shrimp.
Renan,
Renan.
Brown,
Brown.
Lipper.
Lipper. Okay. Done till P. Okay. Let's revise
Yes.
that Q thing again. So speak the examples directly from Q. First is square. Okay. Square. Next R
R,
is R
Broader.
sound. So riser.
Riser, Broader,
Broader.
Schwester.
Schwester. Next S. S is
S is Zingen,
Zingen. Yeah.
Schloss,
Schloss. Next is T.
Tunken,
Yeah.
Ratten.
Good. Very good. Next is V and W.
V is F sound.
For sound.
Fox.
Volkswagen.
Fox.
So Volkswagen, we have
Volkswagen.
seen the cars of Volkswagen. That's a German company only. Okay.
Yes.
Right? Volkswagen, Audi, they are all from the same group. So it's a parent company of Audi, right? That's called as the
Yes.
Volkswagen group. In short, in Germany, it's called VW. We have seen that VW logo, so that's called VW. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's a German company. Fox means people, Wagen means car. Then
Okay.
next,
Feel,
yeah.
for,
For
Wasser,
not Wasser, normally Wasser. Yeah. So speak them.
Feel, for, Wasser,
Yeah.
Vegan, Wo.
Okay. Feel for Wasser, vegan and
Wasser.
wo. Clear to
Yes,
hear?
sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Right. Let's do till here today. Okay. Now just give me 1 second. Let me end this. I'll send you the PDF file also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 1 second.